Scrollable group with a list using TraitsUI. So I have a problem with my TraitsUI code. What I want to have is a list that is shown using checklist editor and is in a confined space so it could be scrollable. I need to have this list in a group because this would be only a small part of the whole GUI. Yet if I set group property scrollable to true, that does nothing. Any ideas? Here is minimal working example.
It's the view that should be made scrollable. I get this. If you want to embed multiple scrollable views, you can do it with instances and instance editors. With this result,